Hello my friends. I debated whether to show you this video or not, but after I stopped filming, I decided to play with it a little more, and I don't think I tilted anymore, but I did give it one spritz of CRC heavy duty silicone, and now I rather love it. I need to take you in for a closer look to see what it does. It creates these billions of tiny little cells, and I think it's just fascinating now. When I zoom in like this, the color gets a little off. It's darker than this, but it's just like a galaxy. And over here, even there was a pink area that I wasn't happy with, but even that, all these colors came up from underneath and added to it. So it texturized the entire piece. Oh, I like that area a lot. Over here, look how dimensional this looks, but it's perfectly flat. Anyway, I'm not sure which orientation I like, but there it is. And I haven't varnished it. This is the finish I got with the pouring medium you'll hear about in the video. I don't think it needs to be varnished. It's pretty shiny. And it's not sticky like some of these pour-on top coats. So anyway, I will show you the video because I'm happy with the final result. I hope you like it too, and let's get to the video. Today, oh, and my pouring medium is a mixture of Apple Barrel and Artist Loft. I had a little bit of both and I just combined them together, so I think they have similar properties. Hopefully they will play well together with the paint, but we'll see. My colors are kind of a Payne's gray and black. Can you see that? I have a lot of colors here. Gold, Phthalo or Ultramarine blue, white. This is a mix of magenta and metallic black, aqua green. This is a mix of phthalo green and gold, kind of pretty, and cobalt blue. I mixed them 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, and I did have to add water to a couple of them. So that's what we got. Kind of odd color combos, but sometimes those surprise you the most. I'm going to put 2 layers of each color in each cup. Forming kind of a spout, and I'm going to do traveling ring pour, straight pour. I know it's a rather odd combo of colors, but I'm going to use up my paints. Ooh, I like that. Oh, I love that. Phthalo green is just a marvelous color. Well, I like this and I like that. That's about it. I wonder what I should do. I think I'll pour some here so I can kind of reserve that. Yeah, I'll stop pouring and come over here. I tell you, if you want to see oh, there's that pretty green. I'm going to save that. Bring it somewhere where I'm sure to keep it. About right here. If you want to see a real master at the traveling ring pour, you should check out Jamie created that. Oh, look, all my green disappeared. She is really masterful at this technique. I don't know what her pouring medium is. I don't know if that's got something to do with her success, but she really has a way with this particular technique. If you're not familiar with her channel, go check her out. I actually bought one of her paintings. I was so taken with it. It's hanging in another room where I would show it to you now. Okay. All right, well, kind of weird, but you never know until you tilt it all around what it's gonna end up like. So here we go. I'm going to get close to all the edges, and then I will look at it overall and see what I like and what I want to tilt off. You can see right now that I don't really like these areas with the white at all. So head over that way now and squeeze it down and maybe off. Let's see, I'm gonna go right over the edge there. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, I'm not happy with that white. It's going to have to go. That's going to be a problem. Let's get rid of this first. Now, yeah, I might try to get rid of all that too. It's too bad. There's a lot of paint that has to go with it, but maybe I'll leave a little. I may be forced to leave a little bit of it there. I'll come over here. Yeah, I just don't like that that white there. My eye goes right to it, and I gotta make that whole section go away. So, weight of the paint. And say goodbye. I often find, though, that stretching the heck out of things gives the best result anyway. That's quite interesting there. Cover this little corner here. Okay. I gotta make this. I don't like that straight part, and I don't really like the shape of this big form there. I don't mind the colors, but I gotta do something with that. So first, get rid of that. I'm gonna bring the weight back to the center. You can see how fast that's moving. So the weight of the paint is there, and I'm going to come down this way and reshape that big mass. I'm going to have to lose some of those cool looking pointy things I liked, but I've got to do it to fix what I've got going here. Now I'm going to have to bring it all the way to the bottom. I don't know. Oh, I don't have this covered. I should have just done one with phthalo green, black, and white. Or not white. Something. Mix something. Oh, that bronze. That would be neat. I'm making this whole corner go away. Now what? I kind of like it. Probably not from the orientation you're looking at, but I'm thinking this would be the bottom. Now that gold stripe is too straight. Kind of cuts it right in half this way. And I got to do something about that, but what? If I can make it kind of swoop down like this. So, back to finding the weight of the paint. I tilted a lot of it off. I'm just going to have to try this. Huh. Well, I may have to live with that. I changed it a little bit. You know, I think I like it. Touch up this corner with some black. Huh. Pink. I don't know. I like this. I like green. I don't know that I like it enough to keep it though. Should I keep it or hose it? Look how dimensional that looks there. That's really quite fascinating. I like this section there too. I don't like the pink and the blue. This is gold. It looks very yellow here, but when it dries, gold, that'll be nice. I don't know. I like it better than what was underneath it. I don't suggest this pouring medium. You know, combining those two, they didn't really do anything spectacular. And see these lumps I have in here made weird spots. I don't know that I'll show you this, but if I do, thanks for watching.